brushing of accounts, right? We already spent 2 hours yesterday, and still like we spent like 40 to 50 minutes today as well. Now let's get into GST. GST is a very dynamic subject. What do you mean by dynamic and static? Right? Dynamic is very dynamic, means every time it keeps changing. If our finance minister is not getting sleep, if she wakes up at 12 o'clock in the morning, she is not feeling like doing anything else, she will say, "Chalo, ek naya rule bana dete GST," and tomorrow morning it will come in the news. So there is nothing called constant in GST. So whatever I will be teaching you in GST now, if you want to be on top of other people, you have to always be on top of it by reading whatever is coming in the news. I'll tell you the website where you can see the changes that is happening on day-to-day basis as well. The website that we talked yesterday is different from the website what I'm telling now, right? So yesterday we saw one website. By the way, when does this GST came into picture?
2016.
All new people.
2016.
2016, yes. Yes, ma'am. No issues.
2016 July.
July 2016, sir. 2016. No, it's okay. Ma'am. What about GST first of all? What do you mean by GST? Yes, on goods and services. Yes, who is new today as well? The 6 people, right? So by the way, GST came into picture on 1st July 2017. May I request you to please make a note of it? When did GST law came into picture or enacted? 1st July 2017. So birthday celebrate करना तो 1st July को celebrate करना GST का. First, pen is not there, sir. I'll give you commercials, but I'll not give you cap. So then I'll get you that cap. 1st July 2017. So does that mean that before 2017, 1st July, there was no tax in India? Was there?
Direct tax. Sorry, direct tax.
Okay, that's a very good topic that came into picture. So let's talk about it. So what do you mean by direct tax and indirect tax? Okay. Indirect tax is
We are purchasing the chocolate. It was 10 rupees. The age of selling the sir will rupees.
Are you able to hear, sir?
This is indirect tax.
So does that not go to government?
That
Both will go to government.
so, but here we are directly paying to the government.
What?
But they-
How?
we are
Give me an
having
example of direct tax.
income tax.
Okay, very good. Can we clap for her? बोलो भाई आंसर बोलो. Difference between direct tax and indirect tax. Definition, example.
Direct tax is a tax which we pay directly to the government.
How and why?
If I own a business, I directly pay my taxes to the government. But indirect tax deals with when I purchase a good or anything in the shop. So there is an included tax percentage on that. Which so I don't need to pay the tax saying that I bought this, PC. So I don't need to tell individually that I bought it. It's already included in there. So that comes under indirect tax.
Your understanding is correct, but I would request you to refine your answer. ठीक है? You have understood the concept, but when you go for interview, you are in which class, sir? First year, second year, final year? First year. Okay, because in another 2 years you will go for some interview. If you are looking for job, if you want to go for business or want to start a new setup or startup, I would be happy. But if you are going for job, I would request you to refine your answers. You have understood the concept, but this is not the answer that they will buy. Okay? ठीक है? Would you like to try, ma'am? Direct tax, indirect tax. No idea, no issue, sir.
Direct tax is taxation which we have to pay to the government on income. And then GST is something which has to pay by the consumer. Ultimate consumer has to pay when he purchases goods or services.
Very good, clap for him. ठीक है? Should I try previous वाला Amir Khan? I know I am not Amir Khan. I am just trying to say the answer in his time. Okay? right? Direct tax is a tax which a taxpayer directly pays to the government on his income. Everybody said the same thing. A classic example is income tax. There is no question of buying or selling anything. Whatever you are doing, whatever field you are in, whether you are doing business, started a new company, started a new startup, or you are into service, are you a CA, a lawyer, a batsman,